YouTube, what is up? What is swell? It's your girl L, you dig. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's Vlogmas day 19. We about 6 days away from Christmas. Not about, we are 6 days away from Christmas. Yeah, in this video you'll see me making my ugly sweater that I was gonna wear to a ugly sweater party, but I didn't go to it. And I didn't have my own Christmas party because I'm busy working. There's no entertaining vlog or anything like that today because I'm busy working. I have to work a lot, yeah. So make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, join the crew, you feel me? Yeah. L's Corner, we doing it? Yeah. Peace. I'm back. All right. Y'all thought I was gone? No, I ain't gone. I'm back. Okay. Y'all like my ugly sweater? It's dope. Like when I rock it, like whoever look into the mirror, like they gonna see they self because they the ugly sweater. You feel me? That's a knee slapper, you dig? But yeah, you know, man, I be out here making stuff, you know, like check out my Facebook page, Lovely Customized Creations. You know, go ahead, copy something, you know, whatever you want, I can do it for you, you dig? Yeah, but thanks for watching, y'all. Merry Christmas. Almost, we almost there. But yeah, when y'all see me rock the sweater, probably on Christmas Eve or something like that. But yeah, peace out, y'all. Nah, I ain't gonna hit it because I hit it earlier, you feel me? So I'm gonna just say peace.